Hello students, in this video we will see class 6 maths question number 3. Here you have to do addition. So first of all check whether these are like terms or not. Okay. So we will see here is x, here is also x, here is y, here is also y. Yes, these are like terms, so they will get add up. 8 plus 3 is how much? 11, and variables are x and y. So this is the answer. Now come to question number 2. Check the variables. This is x, this is x, this is x. Here is y, here is y, here is y. Z is also there. Yes, these are like terms. They will get add or subtracted. 2. Here nothing is written. It means not here is 0. Here nothing is written means 1 is written here. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, and the variables are x, y and z. This is the answer. Now come to third one. Here is a, here is b, here is b. These two are like terms. This is not like with any of these terms. So these two will get add up. This will as it is. So 2a will remain as it is. And these two will get add up. 3 plus 4 will be 7 and the variable is b. So this is the answer. Any kind of question you have to check that only, that whether these are like terms or not. Now come here. Here is variable x, here is variable y. Are they like terms? No, they are not like terms. So there will not be any addition or subtraction. So the answer will be as it is, 3x plus 2y. This is the answer. If you will write like this, 5xy. Sometimes students are writing like this. They don't know the rule, whether they are how to add or how to subtract. They are doing this kind of mistake. Yes, 3 plus 2 will become 5 and x and y is also there. So we will write like this. This one is totally wrong and not according to maths rule. Now come to this. Here is m, but here is n and here is p. And there is no like terms which we can add or subtract. So what will happen? Here nothing will get add, nothing will get subtract. The answer will be as it is, 5n plus 3n plus 4p. Simply this is the answer. Now come to next. Again check whether these are like terms or not. Here is a, here is a, but here is ab. Last one is different. First two are same, so they will get add up. Add the first two terms. 6 plus 3 will become 9 and the variable is a, and the next term will be as it is because it is not like terms with this term. Here is a, here is ab, so there is no addition and no subtraction possible. So this is the answer. Now come to question number 7. Here is p, here is q, here is q. This term is not like with any other terms. These two terms are like terms. So they will get add or subtracted. 3p will be as it is, as there is no like terms. 3p will be as it is, plus 4 and 9 will become 13 and q. Remember, variable you have to write one time only, not two times. After addition, variable should be written once time. Now next, here is ab, here is ba, here is b. This one is not like with any other terms. These two terms are like terms, so they will get add or subtract. 5 plus 4 will become 9 and the variables are a and b. Either you write ab or you write ba, there is no effect. Plus 6b. Sometimes in place of this you can also write 9ba plus 6b. Okay. Both the answers are correct. Don't think that ba is written, this answer is wrong. No, this is not so. This is also correct answer and this is also correct answer. Now come to next one. Here is p, here is p, here is p, here is q, here is q, but here is not q. So these two terms are like terms. They will get add up. At 50 plus 3 will become 53 and PQ and plus 100 PR will be as it is, and this is the answer. This PR is not like term with this, okay, because one variable is same but another variable is different. If any of the variable is different, that means the term is not like term. Now here is y, here is y, here is y. Before doing any kind of addition, first of all open the small bracket. According to BODMAS, we have to solve the bracket first. Minus 2y plus minus will become minus, again plus minus will become minus, and here 3y. Then see, all the terms are like terms, they will get add or subtract. So minus 2, here nothing is written means 1 is written. Minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 3, minus 3 and minus 3 will become minus 6, and the variable is y. This is the answer. If there is confusion, let me clear your confusion. Minus 2, minus 1 and minus 3, this you can solve like this. Minus 2 and minus 1, you will do addition. Minus 2 and minus 1 will become 3 and sign will be of minus. And here again minus 3 is left, again you will do addition. These two terms will get add up. 3 and 3 will become 6, but sign will be of negative. So minus 6 is the answer. Now next one, check whether these are like terms. Yes, these are like terms. Open the bracket. Minus 3b plus minus will become minus, and here b. Nothing is written means in front 1 is written. Minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 and minus 1. Both are negative. So they will get add up. 3 and 1 is 4, but sign will be negative. So here minus 4 and the variable is b. So this is the answer. Now here is b, here is b, here is b. Yes, they are like terms, they will get add up. First of all open the bracket. 5b plus minus will become minus, 4b plus minus will become minus 10b. Yes. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 10 is minus 9b. That is the answer. Yes. If there you are not, you cannot understand, you can see here 5 minus 4 minus 10. 5 minus 4 is 1 minus 10. Now 1 minus 10 is not possible. 1 में से आप 10 subtract नहीं कर सकते. But we are subtracting it. But there will be minus sign because negative number is greater, and this 10 is having negative sign. So the number which is having greater number is having whatever sign, that one is coming with the answer. That's why the answer is minus 9b. Now come here. So open the bracket. Minus 2c minus c minus 5c. All are like terms. Yes, there will be possible addition. Minus 2c and minus c will be minus 3c minus 5c. Minus 3 and minus 5 will become minus 8c. Hence this is the answer. So in this way you can do any kind of algebraic addition or subtraction. The only condition is that the number should be like terms. If they are not like terms, there will not be any addition or subtraction. Okay. Now you can note down this. If any doubt, you can write in the comment box.